can make it perfect, make it perfect. And then this is going to be your middle frame. Do you know why?
Let's see. All right, so it's honey.
So,
No, I don't know why.
well, because the bees navigate first through temperature, like inside the hive. Like they control the temperature in the middle first, right? So if you put this over here.
Yeah, so they want to be in the center and radiate out.
Exactly, exactly. So then now we got your new frame. And because we want these frames fat, in my opinion, in your honey box, you do
Spread a little further out.
spread it a little further out. Always examine your equipment as you put it in, so that it's full. Even though you've done all the work, you know you did it, make sure it's got the thing in it. Because when you come to work these hives and you forgot one, oh no. You could probably fit one more in there. Yeah, let's do that. Yay. So now on the lid here, I just want to show you because we saw a few beetles, right? Did you notice those beetles in there? Alright, well, let's squish this right there. I like to play that game. Squish the beetles. Because I don't like that they eat the pollen in the hive, right? So then, this is a shop towel. The bees pretend to be spiders and they loosen up the fibers in this shop towel and wrap the beetles up, and then you don't have to worry about it. But see all these bees? Like if I were to put this lid on, I'd crush them all. So you could just do that. Brush them. Sometimes they
go down.
Yeah, sometimes I blow them, but if I've been working in a hive, they get even more annoyed if you blow at them. So you could take this and just real quick. Okay. Now your lid is back on.
So they'll use the paper towel for...
To wrap up those beetles. Now, when you put the lid back on, you want to slowly push down on everything with your weight. But make sure that the hive itself is secure, and you'll be able to feel that right away. But now the propolis is resealing because it's hot outside. You don't want to work when it's raining or when it's super cold. There you go. Now you got yourself a honey super.
Very good.
All right, now this other one, based on the population, I can tell it's not as busy. So this one, well,